Good morning, students. This is your third class in Maths. Hope you all understand the last two classes, and I think so you finished the assignments also. Now we will move to the class. Today we are going to see exercise 1.2 remaining sums. We already finished up to 6 sums. The remaining sums we are going to see in this class. Next, set operations. Recap. In last class we seen types of sets. Types of sets are empty set, singleton set, finite set, infinite set, equivalent set, equal set, universal set, subset, proper subset, disjoint set, power set, and cardinal number of sets, and some properties. Related to that we seen some exercise sums also. In exercise 1.2 7 sum, if A equal to set of all A comma set of all A comma B, write all the subsets of A. Okay, you have to write the subset of A for this. Subset we can, that is power set is we can denote it as P of A, which is equal to, first we have to write the empty set as a subset, and inside the bracket you have A one subset, and A comma B is a separate set. That is one subset, and the same set also a subset of itself. So same set I am writing here. So empty set, A one subset, A comma B one subset, A comma inside the bracket A comma B. Okay, this is all the subsets of A. Next, 8th sum, write down the power set of the following sets. So first one A equal to A comma B, second one B equal to 1, 2, 3, third subdivision D equal to P, Q, R, S, fourth subdivision E is equal to 5. Now we will move to the answer. First subdivision A equal to set of all A comma B. Now power set of A, that is P of A equal to, first I told empty set is a one subset, empty set. Next A separate set and B separate set, and the same set will be a subset to itself. So A comma B is one subset. This is the power set of A comma B. And next second subdivision B equal to set of all 1, 2, 3. Here 3 elements are there. Now power set of B is equal to, first empty set one subset, next separate we have to write the elements. 1 set of all 1, set of all 2, set of all 3. Separately we are writing the elements. Next we have to combine two elements. So 1 2, 1 3, 2 3. Next the same set will be a subset to itself. So 1 2 3. Once again I repeat here first empty set is one subset, and separate sets 1 2 3 is separately have one set, and next combination of two elements. So 1 2, 1 3, 2 3. Next the same set is one of the subset. So 1 2 3. Third subdivision in the sum D equal to P Q R S. Already we seen for 2 elements, 3 elements. This elements contain, this set contains 4 elements. First empty set one subset, and next separate elements we have to write. So P one separate set, Q, R separate, and S separate set. Okay, next combination of two elements. Okay, so PQ, PR, PS. Next QR, QS. At last RS. These two combination is a subset. QP is not a subset because the elements will not be repeated. So PQ and QP are same only. So PQ is the only subset. Next combination of three elements. Here PQR, PQS, PRS, QRS. At last the same set will be a subset to itself. PQRS. These are all the subset for 4 elements. Okay. Now you can try for 4 elements. You can use any elements, okay, either 1, 2, 3, 4, at least, otherwise A, B, C, D. For these 4 elements you can try the power set for this, okay. Fourth subdivision, E equal to empty set, that is 5. So P of E is equal to empty set is the only element, so we can put the subset of the empty set is empty set only, okay. So there is one element for the empty set. Subset for empty set is only one element, okay. Ninth sum, find the number of subsets and the number of proper subsets of the following sets. In last definition I gave two formulas to you. Finding number of proper subset, that is number of power set is 2 power n, okay. Number of power set is 2 power n. Number of proper subset is 2 power n minus 1, okay. Now we are going to find the number of proper subset and the subset. First subdivision, W is equal to, is inside the set bracket, red, blue, yellow. And second subdivision, X is equal to x square such that x belongs to n, comma, x square less than or equal to 100. First one answer, first subdivision, W is equal to inside the set bracket, red, blue, yellow. Here number of W is, that is number of the set number of elements in the set W is 3. So power set formula what? N of P of W is equal to 2 power n, that is 2, which is equal to 2 power, number of items is 1, 2, 3, so 2 power 3 is equal to 8. Number of proper set, what I told you, 2 power n minus 1. Already we found 2 power n is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. This is called number of proper subsets, okay. Second subdivision, x is equal to x square such that x belongs to n, comma, x square less than or equal to 100. In this, the set of all elements is the x square elements. This x belongs to the set of all natural numbers, that x square less than or equal to 100. So we have to substitute 1, 2, 3 because it is a x belongs to set of all natural numbers. So we have to substitute the values 1, 2, 3 instead of x. We can get some values, okay. It must be less than or equal to 100. So first I am substituting 1. What you get? 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. More than that, if moves means it will become more than 100. So this is the elements of x. So number of elements in x is, count the numbers, how much? It contains 10 elements. So number of power set of x is what? W is it's wrong. Here x will come. So number of power set of x is equal to 2 power n is equal to 2 power 10. That is 2 power 10 means what? 1024. Number of proper subset means one element will be reduced with this. So 2 power n minus 1. Already we found 2 power n is 1024. So 1024 minus 1 we get 1023. That is the answer. 10th sum. This is the last sum in this exercise. First subdivision, if n of a equal to 4, find n of p of a. Second subdivision, if n of a equal to 0, find n of p of a. Third subdivision, if n of p of a equal to 256, find n of a. First subdivision answer, if n of a is equal to 4, find n of p of a. N of p of a formula is 2 power n. 2 power n value here 4. So 2 power 4 is 16. Second subdivision, if n of a, number of elements in the set a equal to 0 means find number of power set of a. So number of power set of a formula is 2 power n. Here n value is 0. So 2 power 0 is equal to 1. You know very well, any number, anything power 0 is 1. So 2 power 0 is equal to 1. Third subdivision, if n of p of a equal to 256, find n of a. In the before two subdivision they give n of a and you have to find n of p of a. But here n of p of a is given, you have to find n of a. So n of p of a is equal to, formula is 2 power n, which is equal to the value is 256. Now you have to write the 256 as a powers of 2. So I am dividing here. If you are dividing 256 by 2, you get 128. Divided by 2, 64. Divided by 2, 32. Divided by 2, 16. 16 divided by 2, 8. 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. So how many 2's are there here? Here totally 8 2's are there. So 2 power 8. Here base same means you can equate the new powers. Here 2 2 is same. Power equating power the mean powers means n is equal to 8. Here n is equal to number of elements in the set A is equal to 8 is the answer. Now next topic 1.5 set operations. What are called set operation? Here some operations are given to you using sets. First one, complement of a set. The complement of a set A is the set of all elements of U, the universal set. I already told you what is called universal set. That are not in A. It is denoted by A dash or A complement. In symbols, A dash equal to X such that X belongs to U but X does not belongs to A. I will give you clear explanation using Venn diagram in example in the next. Here see the Venn diagram. Okay. Inside the universal set only you have the set A. I already told you using some examples to you. In our school is the universal set. In that one class is the subsets. Here universal set is given. Inside the set A is given. Okay. What is mean by A dash? In our school is the universal set. Our class 9th is the set A. Let us make it. Okay. In this A dash means without our class, except our 9th standard, the remaining classes are called A dash. That is called A dash. Okay. In the set U, we neglect the elements A. Okay. The remaining will be called as A dash. Here, in the second diagram, the shaded portion is the A dash. Using the example, I will tell to you. Here, universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements are there. So, the set A is 2, 4, 6. Okay. From the universal set, you have to cancel the elements 2, 4, 6. The set of all elements in A, you just cancel means what are all called the remaining elements? The 1, 3, 5. This is called A dash. Okay. Are you clear? Second, union of two sets. The union of two sets A and B is the set of all elements which are either in A or in B or in both. It is denoted by A union B and read as A union B. In symbol, A union B equal to X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Okay. What is mean by union? You have to join the two sets. That is called union. Okay. Repeated elements will not be allowed to you. Here one example is given. Universal set is given 1 to 10 and A is 2, 3, 4, 5 and B have 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. Union means we have to take all the elements from A and B, but repeated elements do not write once again. Here I am writing the A element and B element. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3 is already repeated, so you have to write one time only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. All the elements from A and B we have to take and write for the union, but the repeated elements we have to write only once. Okay. Here some Venn diagrams is given to you for A union B. In this first one, set A and B have common elements. So here A and B without shading you are having the A and B. No, this is the pink color shaded is there. No, this is called A union B. Second diagram mentioned disjoint set. If A and B are disjoint set means this is the A union B. Okay. Third one, intersection of two sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all elements common to both A and B. It is denoted by A intersection B and read as A intersection B. In symbols, A intersection B equal to X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. What is mean by intersection? If these two sets are given, A and B means common elements for both A and B is the intersection of two sets. Okay, here A equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. B equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. What are the common elements for both A and B? 2 and 3. This is called intersection of these two sets. So, A intersection B is equal to 2, 3. Here, Venn diagram is given for A intersection B. Common part of A and B is the shaded portion. This is called A intersection B. Fourth one, difference of two sets. Let A and B be two sets. The difference of sets A and B is the set of all elements which are in A but not in B. It is denoted by A minus B or A set difference B and read as A difference B. In symbol, if it is A minus B means X such that X belongs to A and X does not belongs to B. B minus A means Y such that Y belongs to B and Y does not belongs to A. This is same as the A complement we already studied now, that is U set difference A, here A set difference B, that's all. Difference of two sets means whether we are taking two sets A and B. Okay, A set difference B means the set of all elements from A. A is we are subtracting B from A. Okay, we have to cancel the common elements from both A and B and we have to write the remaining elements from A. Okay, here using Venn diagram I will give you the clear explanation. First is a diagram A minus B. In this A and B are there. From A we have to subtract, we have to take away the set B. So remaining elements from A. Here shaded portion is the A minus B. In the second diagram, if it is B minus A means we have to take the element, all the elements A from B. Okay, we have to take A from B. So remaining elements from B is the answer. Here shaded portion is the B minus A. Fifth one, symmetric difference of sets. The symmetric difference of two sets A and B is the set A minus B union B minus A. It is denoted by A set difference B. A set difference B is equal to X such that X belongs to A minus B or X belongs to B minus A. I will give you an example to you. Here the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Now you just cancel the common elements from both A and B. What are the common elements here? 2, 4, 6 are the common elements. So A minus B means the remaining elements from A. Already we cancel 2, 4, 6. The remaining elements from A is 1, 3, 5. So 1, 3, 5 is the A minus B. And B minus A means the remaining elements from B. What are the remaining elements? Already we cancelled 2, 4, 6. The remaining elements is 8, 9. Now set difference means A set difference B is equal to union of A minus B and B minus A. Okay. So your answer is 1, 3, 5, 8, 9. These are the elements of set difference of A set difference B. Exercise 1.3, first sum. Using the given Venn diagram, write the elements of first subdivision A, second B, third subdivision A union B, fourth one A intersection B, fifth one A minus B, sixth one B minus A, seventh one A dash, eighth one B dash, ninth one union. Okay, here the Venn diagram is given. Now we will move to the answer. First subdivision A. Inside the A set, what are the elements you have? That is called A. See this in the diagram. what are the elements are there in A set A? 2, 4, 7, 8, 10. I am writing in order. Okay, you can write whatever it is, 2, 10, 8, 4, 7 also you can write. Next, second subdivision B. The set of all elements in the Venn diagram B. Okay, what are the elements are there? 4, 7, 9, 6, 3, 11. Okay, I am writing in order 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11. These are the elements in set B. Now A union B. We have to take all the elements from set A and B. Here 2, 10, 8, 4, 7, 9, 6, 3, 11. All the elements from the set A and B I am writing. Now take it in order. We are writing 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now A intersection B. A intersection B means common element. That is set A and B. You have common place now. Here 4 and 7 is the intersection part. Okay. So A intersection B is equal to 4, 7. Fifth subdivision A minus B. What is mean by A minus B? I told we are subtracting B from A. So you just hide your B set from your with your hands. The remaining elements from A is 2, 8, 10. Okay. Next B minus A. Sixth subdivision B minus A. Now you just hide your A set with your hands. The remaining elements from B is 3, 6, 9, 11. These are the elements of B minus A. Now A dash. What is mean by A dash? U minus A. From the universal set we are neglecting the set A. Now hide your A set using your hands. The remaining elements from U is 1, 3, 6, 9, 11, 12. Now B dash means hide your B set using your hand and the remaining elements from the whole is 1, 2, 8, 10 and 12. Now 9 subdivision universal set. Universal set means all the elements from that set. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the elements of universal set. Second sum, find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A for the following sets. First subdivision I am taking. First subdivision A equal to 2, 6, 10, 14 and B is equal to 2, 5, 14, 16. Now A union B means you have to take all the elements from A and B. Okay, first 2 is repeated twice, so you have to take only 1, 2, 5, 6, 10, 14 and 16. This is A union B. Next A intersection B. Common elements from A and B. What are the common elements here? 2 and 14. So A intersection B is 2 and 14. Now A minus B. A minus B means what, dear? I told you, you have to cancel the common elements from A and B. What are the common elements? 2 and 14. The remaining element from A is the A minus B. So here 6 and 10 is the A minus B. Now B minus A means now you have to cancel the common elements from B and A. 2, 14 is the common elements. So remaining elements from B minus A is 5 and 16. Second subdivision A equal to set of all A, B, C, E, U and B equal to A, E, I, O, U. Now for this set you have to find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. A union B. You have to write all the elements from A and B. Now A, B, C, E, I, O, U. U is U, A is A, E and are already repeated, so you have to write only once. Okay. Now A intersection B. You have to write the common elements from A and B. What are the common elements here? A, E, U. Now A minus B. A minus B means first you have to cancel the common elements from A and B. What are all? A, E, U. The remaining elements from A is B and C is the A minus B. Okay. B minus A means you have to cancel the common elements, and remaining elements from B is the B minus A. So remaining elements from B is what? I and O. I comma O. So B minus A is I comma O. Third subdivision, A equal to X such that X belongs to the set of all natural numbers, comma X less than or equal to 10, and B equal to X such that X belongs to W, comma X less than 6. Here the set X belongs to the set of all natural numbers I told you, so X belongs to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here in the set B, X belongs to the whole number, so 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So the set of all A equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 10 is less than or equal to, so we have to include the 10, number 10 also. In the set B, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 will not be included because it is less than, so up to 5 only. Now you have to write A union B. What are called A union B? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A intersection B is what? 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now A minus B, cancel the common elements. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is cancelled. The remaining elements from A is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. B minus A is, you have to cancel the common elements. So the remaining elements from B is 0. So this is your answer. Fourth subdivision, A equal to set of all letters in the word mathematics, and B equal to set of all letters in the word geometry. Here the set A equal to M, A, T, H, E. M is already repeated, A also repeated, T also repeated. Next I, C, S. These are the elements of the set A. Next B equal to G, E, O, M. E already repeated. T, R, Y. These are the elements of the set B. Now A union B equal to the set of all elements from A and B. M, A, T, H, E, I, C, S, G, E already repeated, O, M already repeated, T already repeated, so R, Y. These are the elements of A union B. Now A intersection B is common elements from A and B. Common elements are there here, E, M, T are the common elements of A intersection B. This is the elements of A intersection B. Now A minus B. Just cancel the common elements from A and B. Here E, M, T is the common elements. So remaining elements from A is the A minus B. Remaining elements are A, I, C, H, S. Now A minus B is A, H, I, C, S. Next B minus A, cancel the common elements and remaining elements from B. What are the remaining elements here? G, O, R, Y. This is the B minus A. Third sum, if U equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, comma, A equal to B, D, F, H and B equal to A, D, E, H. Find the following sets. First A dash. A dash means what? U minus A. U set difference A. First you have to write the set of all elements of U minus set of all elements of A. Now cancel the common elements from A, U and A. What are the common elements here? B, D, F, H. The remaining elements from U is A, C, E, G. These are the elements of A dash. Next B dash. B dash means you have to subtract the elements of B from the universal set. Now universal set minus set of all letters of B. Cancel the common elements from U and B. Here A, D, E, H are the common elements. Cancel means the remaining elements B, C, F, G. These are the common elements of remaining elements of B. So this is the B dash. Okay. Next, A dash union B dash. Already we have A dash. The set you can take and write A, C, E, G. And B dash is B, C, F, G. Now you have to write the universal union of these two sets. That is A, B, C, E, F, G. A dash intersection B dash. Common elements of A dash and B dash. What are the common elements here? C and G. Now fifth subdivision, A union B the whole dash. What is mean by A union B the whole dash? From the universal set, you have to subtract the values of set of elements of A union B. Now write the universal set minus. Already you find A union B. No. Now you just find the A union B. Write all the elements from A union B. That is A, B, D, E, F, H. Now cancel the common elements from both. And remaining elements from U you have to write. The remaining elements from U is C and G. So this is the A union B the whole dash. Okay. Next, sixth subdivision, A intersection B the whole dash, which is equal to U minus universal set minus A intersection B. That is set difference between the universal set and the A intersection B, which is equal to universal set is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And the A intersection B is common elements of A and B is D, H. So if you cancel the common elements from U and A intersection B, D and H will be cancelled. The remaining elements from U is you have to write, that is A, B, C, E, F and G. Okay. Now if you are seen means you get one answer, that is fifth subdivision. See the fifth subdivision and fourth subdivision. Both the answers are same, because A union B the whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. And next if you are seeing the sixth subdivision and third subdivision means both answer will be same. See here also A, B, C, E, F, G, and in the third subdivision also A, B, C, E, F and G. So both are equal. And next we will move to the seventh subdivision, A dash the whole dash. That means we have to subtract take the elements A dash from U. So U minus A dash. Universal set we have to write, and next minus set of all the elements from A dash you have to write. Cancel the common elements. You get the remaining elements B, D, F, H. And if you are seen means A dash the whole dash is equal to A, the set A. If you are seeing the set A means both will be equal. 7 subdivision and A will be equal. So A dash the whole dash is equal to A is the answer. Next 8th subdivision, B dash the whole dash, which is equal to universal set minus B dash. Write the universal set minus B dash. B dash means you already found now. What is the values? B, C, F, G. Cancel the common elements from U and B dash. The remaining elements from U is the answer. So A, D, E, H. If you are seen means what you get? The set B is equal to B dash the whole dash. Okay. Fourth sum. Let U is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 and B equal to 0, 2, 3, 5, 7. Find the following set. Last sum we seen now. The same thing we are going to see for the different set. First subdivision, A dash, U minus A. So U minus A, subtract the elements from U. Take the common elements and write the remaining elements from U. That is, the answer is 0, 2, 4, 6. And B dash equal to U minus B. Set of all universal set minus set of all B. Cancel the common elements. The remaining elements from B is 1, 4, 6. And A dash union B dash means take all the elements from A dash and B dash, write it down. That is 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. 4, 6 already repeated, so you have to write once. And fourth subdivision, A dash intersection B dash. Common element from A dash and B dash, that is 4 and 6. A union B the whole dash equal to U minus A union B. I already told you fourth and fourth subdivision and fifth subdivision are same answer, so you got the same answer 4 comma 6. And sixth subdivision and third subdivision also equal, so you got the same answer from the third subdivision. Okay, so A intersection B the whole dash is equal to U minus A intersection B is equal to universal set minus the set of all elements in A intersection B. What you get? Cancel the common elements, the remaining elements will be 0 1 2 4 6. And seventh subdivision A dash the whole dash, for this you can get the values of A only. So here U minus A dashes you get 1 3 5 7, that is the set A. And eighth subdivision B dash the whole dash is equal to U minus B dash, which is equal to universal set minus set of all elements in B dash, cancel the common elements, the remaining elements from U you get the same as B, 0 2 3 5 7. Over. Fifth sum, find the symmetric difference between the following sets. First subdivision is given, P equal to 2 3 5 7 11 and Q equal to 1 3 5 11. You know the formula for the symmetric difference. P symmetric difference Q is equal to P minus Q union Q minus P. For this, first you have to find P minus Q. P minus Q, you have to cancel the common elements from P and Q, that is 3 5 11. The remaining elements from P you have to write, that is 2 comma 7. Next, Q minus P, set of all elements from Q minus set of all elements from P. Now cancel the common elements, that is 3 5 11. The remaining element from Q is 1. So now you have to take union for P minus Q and Q minus P. What do you get? 1 2 7. This is the symmetric difference between P and Q. Second subdivision, both are same only, but the sets are different here. R is equal to L M N O P and S equal to J L N Q. Now R minus S equal to what? Here set of all R and minus set of all S is given. First cancel the common elements. What are the common elements here? L and N. The remaining elements from R is M O P. So S minus R, cancel the common elements, that is L and N. The remaining elements from S is J comma Q. Now take the union for these two sets, M O P Q J. These are the symmetric difference of R and S. Third subdivision, X is equal to 5 6 7, Y is equal to 5 7 9 10. Here X minus Y is common as 5 and 7, take it out, and the remaining elements from X is 6, and Y minus X means common element is 5 and 7, the remaining elements from Y is 9 and 10. Take the union for these two sets, you get 6 9 10. So symmetric difference of X and Y is 6 9 and 10. Sixth sum, using the set symbols, write down the expression for the shaded region in the following. Okay, 3 subdivisions are given. First one mentioned, already I told you, this is the universal set. This universal set contains 2 sets, A and B. Here if you are seen means, what is given in the shaded portion? A is subtracted from B. So your answer is B minus A. First subdivision answer is B minus A. In the second subdivision, in the whole U, A minus B is neglected. So shaded portion is without A and B, the remaining portions are shaded. Here A union B, the whole dash, from U we are taking out the A union B. So A union B, the whole dash is the answer. In the third subdivision, here symmetric, this one is A minus B union and B minus A. This is your answer. See the shaded portion here. Separately you just draw these things. Okay, first A minus B you drawn means from A we are subtracting the B, and next from B we are subtracting A means the intersection part will not be shaded. Okay, the remaining parts will be you get. So your answer is A minus B union B minus A. Try it in your note in the separate terms. After if you are combined means you get this diagram. 7 sum. Let A and B be two overlapping sets. Overlapping sets means it has a common element. And the universal set be U. Draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. I give the Venn diagrams here for all these things. You just try it at your home. First subdivision is A union B. The shaded portion is A union B. Second subdivision A intersection B. Common element for A intersection B is the shaded portion. So this is the A intersection B. And third subdivision A intersection B the whole dash. Without the A intersection B you have to shade all the portion. In the previous second subdivision I give you A intersection B. Apart from that you are shading means A intersection B the whole dash you got. Okay. Next B minus A the whole dash. For that first in the first diagram I am giving you the B minus A. So from B you are taking out the A. Okay. Next B minus A the whole dash means already we have the shaded portion. Without that shaded portion you have to shade all the portion. So B minus A is the whole dash is given to you. Fifth subdivision A dash union B dash. For this I am giving you A dash and B dash Venn diagram. The first corner diagram is A dash. A dash means without A you have to shade all the portions in U. Okay. And in the next diagram parallel to that is B dash. Without B we have to shade all the portions of in the U, set U. Okay. Now A dash union B dash means what you get? Without the center portion, the intersection portion, you have to shade all the portion. Now A dash intersection B dash means, okay, in the first diagram A is not shaded, in the second diagram B is not shaded. Apart from that from the remaining portions are shaded in U is the A dash intersection B dash. These are the common elements of A dash and B dash. Seventh subdivision. What do you observe from the Venn diagram 3rd and 5? See, the third diagram is A intersection B the whole dash, and in the fifth diagram is A dash union B dash. If you are comparing these two diagrams, both are same. So A intersection B the whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. The previous examples are exercise sums also I given to you. Both are equal. Hope you all understand this session. Already I give 2 assignments to you. Now this is the third assignment. Just do the assignment in your assignment note and write the classworks in notes in classwork note. Okay. If you can try these examples with Venn diagram also, and you can do the sums also. In both that you can do and finish it and keep it.